In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files with iCloud Drive on your iPhone and iPad. Whether you're juggling work documents, family photos, or personal notes, syncing your files with iCloud Drive ensures that your data is always up to date and accessible across all your Apple devices. Let's get started and make sure you have everything you need to stay organized and connected. First, you'll want to locate and tap on the settings icon on your device. This is the central hub for managing various features and services on your iPhone or iPad. Once you have settings open, look to the very top of the screen where your Apple ID is displayed. You'll see your name and possibly your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to the Apple ID menu where you manage all things related to your Apple account, making it an integral part of your device's ecosystem. Now that you're in the Apple ID section, you'll see a list of options. Tap on iCloud to dive into all of the cloud-based features and services that Apple offers. iCloud is a powerful tool that securely stores your data so that it's automatically kept in sync. Once you're in the iCloud settings, you'll notice a list of apps and services that are currently using iCloud. Scroll down until you find iCloud Drive. This is what enables the syncing of files across your devices. It's crucial to have this turned on, so make sure the toggle switch next to iCloud Drive is in the ON position. If it's not, give it a tap to activate it. This simple action is what will ensure that your files are able to travel with you across all your Apple gadgets. With iCloud Drive turned on, we can now move on to accessing your synced files. Open the Files app, which is your one-stop shop for searching, browsing, and managing all of your documents. The Files app is usually located on your home screen, so go ahead and find it. Once inside the app, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on Browse. This enables you to explore all the locations where your files are stored. After tapping Browse, select iCloud Drive. Here you'll find all the files and folders that have been synced to iCloud. Whether it's an important work document or a memorable photo from your last vacation, you'll be able to access and manage everything right from your device, and that's all there is to it. Following these steps ensures that your files are automatically updated and accessible, giving you peace of mind and making your digital life a little bit easier. By keeping your iCloud Drive in sync, you ensure that your work and personal projects are always within reach, no matter which Apple device you are using. Feel free to explore and take full advantage of this feature to streamline your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing!